Hi children, in today's ICT class we are going to start a new lesson called RF Code, which is a visual programming. Before that, I want you to recap the word algorithm that we have learned earlier. So algorithm is a list of steps that you can follow to finish a task. So I will play a song for you which will help you to recollect this word and the definition of algorithm. Please listen to this and sing along.
Algorithm now goes chomp, 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 chomp. Algorithm now goes chomp, 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 chomping algorithms. An algorithm is a list of steps, list of steps, list of steps. An algorithm is a list of steps that you do in order. Step by step, think of what you need to do, what you need to do, what you need to do. Step by step, think of what you need to do, then you test it out. If it doesn't work, then fix the bug, fix the bug, fix the bug. If it doesn't work, then fix the bug in your algorithm. Algorithm now goes chomp, 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 chomp. Algorithm now goes chomp, 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 chomping algorithms. An algorithm is a list of steps, list of steps, list of steps. An algorithm is a list of steps that you do in order.
So as you see, an algorithm is nothing but a list of steps that we do it in order to complete a specific task. That's it. So today we are going to use algorithm in the RF code to help the Angry Bird. So before starting the first lesson, I just want to tell you these three tasks. Like the first task is put on shoes. So here they have given 3 steps, which is not in order. If you want to complete a task, the steps should be in order, correct? So for example, in the first one, put foot in shoe, pick up shoes and tie shoe. Which one will come first? What will be the first step for this task? So we need to pick up shoes. That will be the first step. And then put foot in shoe. This is the step number 2. And then tie shoe. So this is a very simple example for you to understand what is an algorithm is. So likewise, in the class we have done this work too. Task 2, brush your teeth. So here they have given 4 steps. First, paste on brush, then brush teeth, dirty teeth and clean teeth. Do you think these steps are in order? No. So we need to arrange these steps in order to complete the task of brushing your teeth. So first will be dirty teeth and then paste on brush. The third will be brush your teeth and then clean teeth. And task 3, plant a seed. So here they have given 6 steps, which is not in order. We need to arrange in a proper order. So the first will be fill pot with soil. First we need to fill the soil inside the pot. After that, poke hole in soil. Then the third step will be put seed in hole and cover seed with soil, water the pot and then put the pot in sunlight. So like this, if it is an algorithm, we not only need the steps, but we want the steps in an proper order. Okay, I'm just going to show you a video which will help you to understand how algorithm play an essential part in our life.
This lesson is called Planting a Seed, and it's going to help us understand algorithms. Algorithms are specific instructions that explain the order in which to do something. Even everyday things like eating breakfast or brushing your teeth are algorithms. They require small steps to get a job done. Computers can be really smart, but they can only understand you if you tell them exactly what you want, step by step. The great thing about algorithms is that if you follow the instructions in order, you can do something that you didn't know how to do ahead of time. It's like following a recipe. Today, we're going to plant our own seeds using an algorithm.
So first we have to fill the pot with soil, right?
Well, I don't think we have to put glue on the seed.
Right.
Create your own algorithm by cutting apart the pictures. Select the pictures that show steps in planting a seed, and then arrange those pictures in the correct order. Now, it's time for you to see if your algorithm works. Follow the steps in the algorithm very carefully. Are they in the correct order? Did you succeed in planting a seed by following the algorithm? It's like programming with pictures. When we want to make chocolate, there are many big steps to that process, and each of those big steps has its own set of smaller steps. And there are different recipes or algorithms depending on how we want the chocolate to taste. Each step is important, even the small ones. So without one step, the rest of them cannot be completed. Creating algorithms that others can understand is really important. That's why each step has to be written down, so no matter who does it, the result is the same.
Okay, now I'll tell you how to start with this lesson, maze sequence. For that, you need to open Google Chrome, as this is a web link. Here you can type course 1 and enter. You will be getting course 1 studiocode.org. so this is their proper website, studio.code.org. click on this. So once you open up, children, you are already learned this real life algorithms, how to plant a seed, and we have done those activities in a paper in the class. So in today's lesson we are going to learn maze sequence. So this is a lesson name maze sequence, lesson number 4. Here you have 15 levels in it. We need to start from the level 1. Click on the level 1, and here we are. Just listen to this video.
For this puzzle, you need to get the bird to get to the pig. So, look at the puzzle and see what directions it needs to take. You need to drag the blocks from the toolbox over to the workspace. Make sure it's under the run block. And when you think you've got the right solution, then you can click run and watch the bird go to the pig.
Okay, now we are in the level number 1. So here we have the puzzle. In this puzzle, we are going to help this angry bird to catch this animal. So this one's target is this animal. We are going to help this by giving the proper direction using the coding blocks. So here we have the 4 different arrows. Using this, we are going to help this angry bird. So this is our toolbox. As you see my cursor moving on the toolbox, in the toolbox we have only 4 blocks, 4 different blocks. So this is the when run. So if you want to give instruction to the Angry Bird, you need to connect the coding block with this event block. So we have already done it in the Scratch application. I hope you remember when flag clicked. If you want to give instruction to the sprite, we will give the instruction as a coding block. We will connect it with the when flag clicked event. Yes. So likewise, see now. So this is the Angry Bird. From here it has to go to its west side, right, which means to our left side. So you need to check the coding blocks over here and find out which one will go this side. So this will be the west. So you need to drag it to the work area and then connect this with the when run block. So once it's connected, can you see, if you move your cursor over the block, it shows move me west 1 space. So if you use one block, this Angry Bird will move only 1 space. Which side? To its west side. So this one is clear now. If you want to check this, you can click on the run and check. So it's moving only one block to its west. So when you're doing coding like this, it will give you some options like keep coding, something's not quite right yet. Why? Because still it's not reached its target. Yes. So here instead of run, you got this reset button, which means this Angry Bird is not in its proper position. If you reset this Angry Bird will go to its original position. When you started with your puzzle, where it was located, the same place the Angry Bird will go back again. So click on the reset. Now we got the same point of this Angry Bird. So from here we need to decide. So if it has to go and catch this animal, it has to move 2 times on its west. So already one west is there. Again connect one more west with this. Then say run. Run means we are telling the Angry Bird, yeah, proceed. You can go now. Click on the run. So it's done. So congratulations, you completed puzzle 1. So you need to continue like this. Click on the continue. Now you see on the top, lesson 4 maze sequence. Here we have completed level 1. Now we are in number 2. So likewise, you need to complete all the 15 levels one by one. For example, now I am just going to show you level number 12. Okay. See now, the Angry Bird is here. It has to go to its right side, which means to the east side, and then it has to come down from here 2 steps. So let me check. So from here I'll take this east. So if you want to check in between, always you can check whether it's going properly or not. Like click on the run. Yeah, now it's correct. So now it has to come 2 steps down. So not quite. Try using a block. You aren't using it. Okay. Thanks for the help. So I'm just going after the east. I will take I'll use the down arrow, which is a south. Take this down arrow how many times? From here to 1 and then 2, because only 1 space this will move, right? So take 2 steps of the south, then click on the run. Okay, see now. So in this lesson I have completed level number 1 and then the level number 12. So once you complete one by one from 1 to 15, take a snapshot, take a screenshot and send me your work in this, attach with this in the chat window, or you can attach it in your Phoenix classroom. So whichever is easier and easier way, you can do it, and let me know how much levels you have completed. And for example, if you're able to complete up to level number 7, that is fine, no issues. Please complete the work and send me as a picture in the chat window. Thank you so much.